Hey there, all you fish enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into an important topic for anyone planning to move their aquatic friends: packing and moving a fish tank safely. It's not as tricky as you might think, but you do need to know a few essential tips to make the transition as smooth as possible. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Moving a fish tank isn't something you can just wing. Make sure you have all the supplies you'll need, including buckets, fish nets, and water conditioners. Trust me, preparation is key. Next up, fish can produce a lot of waste, and you don't want that in your tank water during the move. Skipping one meal won't harm them, and will keep your water cleaner. Tip 3. Start by taking out any decorations, plants, and equipment like filters and heaters. Pack them separately to avoid any damage. Now for tip 4. Use clean, separate buckets to save as much of the tank water as you can. This will help your fish adjust to their new environment more easily when you set the tank back up. Tip 5. Use a net to gently catch your fish and place them in a container filled with the tank water. Make sure the container has a lid with air holes to keep them safe during the move. Next, wrap your tank in blankets or bubble wrap and secure it in a sturdy box. This will help protect it from any bumps along the way. Tip 7. Your filter media contains beneficial bacteria essential for your tank's ecosystem. Keep it moist by placing it in a bag with some tank water during the move. Moving on to tip 8. Don't leave your fish in the moving truck. The temperature fluctuations can be harmful. Instead, keep them with you in the car, where you can control the environment. Tip 9. Once you arrive at your new place, set up the tank as soon as possible. Refill it with the saved water and get your equipment running again. Finally, float the fish container in the tank water for about 15 minutes to match the temperatures. Gradually mix in small amounts of the new tank water before releasing them. And there you have it, 10 essential tips for packing and moving your fish tank safely. Follow these steps, and your aquatic friends will thank you for a stress-free move. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fish keeping tips. Happy moving!